It's a very, very long story. There was a guy who wanted to commit suicide. He was so depressed that he wanted to end his own life. He thought his life was meaningless. He thought nothing was worth living for. And so he decided to take his own life. He came up to this bridge, this very tall bridge, and he started climbing over the railings so that he could jump into the water below. Now, as he's climbing over this railing, one little girl looked up at him and she said, "Hey, mister, are you trying to hurt yourself?" He said, "Yeah, I am. I am going to jump off this bridge and I want to end my life because it is not worth living." The girl said, "Well, if you want to end your life, then why don't you just walk up one more step? If you can get up one more step, I'll give you $100. The man said, "Why should I do that?" The girl said, "Because it's not worth living anyway. So you might as well get $100 before you die." So the man thought, "Well, what the heck? It's not like I'm living anyway. Might as well get some money for doing this stupid thing." And so he climbed up one more step. And when he did, the girl reached over, grabbed a hold of his shirt, pulled him up and said, "You were right. It is not worth living." She took him down off the bridge and brought him back up onto the sidewalk. And then she said, "I'm sorry. I didn't mean to trick you. But you know, there are so many people in this world that need your help, and all you need to do is be willing to take one more step. There are people who go hungry, and all you have to do is be willing to take one more step and share some food with them. There are people out there that don't have any hope, and all you got to do is take one more step and tell them about God's love for them. There are people out there that don't believe in themselves, and all you have to do is take one more step and encourage them and tell them they can do it. Now, I don't know who needs to hear this today, but if you're feeling like giving up, if you're feeling like, "Man, I just want to quit. I want to crawl up in a ball and I don't want to do anything," I need you to hear this. It may not seem like it, but there's somebody out there that needs your help. There's somebody out there that wants to hear what you have to say. There's somebody out there that believes in you even when you don't believe in yourself. There's somebody out there that wants to be your friend. There's somebody out there that loves you and has been looking for you. I don't know who it is, but I know that you have something that only you can offer, some type of help, some type of encouragement, some type of love that somebody out there needs. And all you have to do is take one more step. And yes, I know it's hard to take that next step when you're feeling like giving up. Yes, I know it is hard to reach out your hand and help somebody when your own hands are cut and bleeding. Yes, I know it's difficult to be the light when you feel like you're sitting in darkness. But I'm telling you, if you'll take one more step, if you're willing to just keep going one more step, I promise you, it is not worth quitting. There's too many people out there that need your help. There's too many people out there that need to hear from you. There's too many people out there that love you and want to be with you. Please don't give up. Let's take one more step. Let's take one more step together. I'm here taking one more step with you.